Hey squids! Okay, so today you're going to do a PhET simulation with wolves and bunnies to simulate natural selection. So you'll go to this link and you will click on lab right here. Okay, so you're going to play with the simulation for a couple minutes. You'll see there's a way to measure what generation it is. You can see it's generation 0. You add a friend, friend. You can speed it up if you want to here. You can make it go faster. You'll see this is the number of generations, and you can see also that there are a number of generations down here. So you can speed it up. And then mess around with it. The beginning tells you to play with the simulation for a few minutes and then kind of figure stuff out. You can add a wolf. It's kind of scary. You can add some mutations. You can mess around with all kinds of stuff. You can play with proportions, pedigree. I'm not going to ask you to do any of this stuff, but I would just leave the graph up. But that's all you do. And then you just go through the different experiments, and it tells you for the following questions, restart the simulation. So always, this is the restart button. So you're back here. Okay. And then it says, add the natural selection factors after you see the pink clock go past 3, so for 3 generations. So it says add a friend and a brown fur mutation to the bunny population. So you start out, here's a friend, and I'm going to give him a mutation. And then after the 3rd generation, then I add a wolf. Okay. And what happens to the population of white and brown bunnies? Explain it right here. When you're done with that, hit restart, do experiment B. Okay, you do the friend and brown fur, and then you click on the food limitation. Here you have a wolf population with this long teeth mutation. So that's all you do. When it says repeat experiment A in the Arctic environment, so you redo this, and instead of being the desert, you go to the Arctic. Okay. And then it says what happened? Did the bunnies live, die, or was it a stable population? Just check whichever one. Put an X there. And then go ahead and answer these questions. Level X, you have a little challenge to do. Level 8+, your worksheet is very similar to this. Okay, that's it. Email me if you have any questions about what's going on, and have some fun playing with the little bunnies and seeing what happens to them. All right, that's it. Bye.